tired of people staring at the back of your heel like, damn, she needs some lotion? Do you have a little insecurity when you wear sandals and you go out? I got you. All right, hey guys, it's Chandra. Welcome back to my channel. Queens, make sure that you're a part of the family. Hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell so you don't miss another video. I'll give you a second. All right, thanks. So, springtime is here, summer, we're about to get out, people are getting vaccinated. It is go time, baby. Let's make sure we are popping everywhere. You know I make videos about body improvement, DIY stuff, self-care. Let's start today with our feet. So, a key product that I use that I want you guys to be hip to, I got you. This, the callus remover. It is so good. This is some powerful stuff, so make sure that you read the directions, but it is what you soak your feet, right, for a little bit in the tub. You want to make sure that they're a little pruny. Then you're going to put this on just the calloused area, just the rough spots. Don't put it on your good skin. Put it on the bad. Let that sit for a little bit. I believe it's like 5, maximum 7 minutes, okay? Only 7 minutes max. Once again, read the directions. Don't go out here like messing your feet up and blaming me, okay? No, read the directions. Then you want to grab this little pumice stone and get to scraping, girl. Get all that junk off of your feet. Get the sides, get the heel, get the toe if it's a little rough. Get you a pumice and keep on scraping. If it's not all coming off, let's rinse it and then get back to work. Do the same thing again until your feet feel good and smooth. Now, this is something that I do about every 2 weeks to make sure that my feet are smooth. Obviously, you can go and get a pedicure and stuff, but if you're here to save a coin, I got you. Next thing, your toes. Okay, I am a hairy gal. You can see my previous videos. I am hairy, so I make sure to shave my toes. Do this. My toe hair grows like, I don't know, every couple days, so I'm gonna make sure to get the toes right. Get it together. If you got hair like on the actual foot part, get that off. We want our feet to be smooth and glistening. After that, you want to put on some lotion. Make sure that your feet are hydrated. It's really important. Some people go out and they don't have lotion on their feet, and it just ruins your whole look. Like, you could be poppin', and then you got some white heels, and now people are staring at you and looking at you sideways like, dang, she didn't even look everywhere, or like she doesn't know how to get herself together. No. No, get yourself right. Put some socks on afterwards as well, so you're like sealing that moisture in. But this is, you need to put lotion on every day, ladies. Put lotion on your body, including your feet, because it's muy importante. After that, the really good, something that I got into during like us being locked up during quarantine was foot masks. So I got this one from Sephora, but I'll list some things below so you guys can take a look and see what actually works for you. But these are inexpensive foot masks, like they're everywhere. You can get it on Amazon, Sephora, Ulta, all that stuff. Walmart even has it. But my trick to these are, I'll wear them at the end of the day. Like, I take a shower and stuff, and then I'll put them on at night. Put some socks on. They're a little cool, so I don't know, you may be a little uncomfortable, but you get used to it. It'll be worth it. This is like deep conditioner for your feet, right? You put deep conditioner on your hair every so often to make sure that your hair is moisturized. You want to give your feet some extra love and attention, so get you some of these. This is something that I do like once a week to make sure that my feet are looking cute. And then lastly, just to set it off, put some nail polish on your toes, no matter what. I personally go for white nail polish, but if you are not like a color polish type of gal, totally fine. Get some clear polish and make sure that your toes are cleaned out. Like, don't have any dirt and stuff in your toenails when you go out, because that's not cute either. But that's really all I had to say. I hope that this helps you guys. Make sure that you're popping from head to toe this summer. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.